Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the propeller on your DJI MINI 3 Pro. So recently, while I was doing some shooting over a lake on the sports mode, I crashed my drone. It went into a tree and then fell in the lake. That, of course, I went in the lake and then I retrieved my drone, which is now working. We'll also make a video on how to save your drone if it gets submerged in water soon enough. Before we get started, you will need a few things. You will need your drone, you will need the screwdriver that comes with your drone, and you will need a set of propeller here. Also, pro tips: always change both propeller on the drone if you need to replace one. Also, don't ever hesitate to replace them, as it can affect the way your drone is flying. You change a propeller. Grab your package that comes with it. If you get them from DJI, they have a little drawing here, and you just align it with your drone, and it will tell you what blade can be switched with that package here. So in my case, I need to replace the front right and the front left and the back right. So if you ever get some propeller that don't have the marking here on the package, the propeller of your drone and the arm of your drone also have marking that can be seen here, and on the arms there's marking, and the non-marked one goes with the arm that are not marked also. So with the combination of the package and the propeller marking and the arm marking, it should be fairly easy to replace them without making mistakes. To remove the propeller, you need to hold on to the motor here, and with your screwdriver here, you're gonna unscrew going counterclockwise. You want to hold and pinch the motor here to make sure that it doesn't spin, and being able to unscrew the screws. So installation is just as easy. You grab your propeller, you put it on top of the spin dome, and then with the screw and your screwdriver, which by the way the screwdriver is magnetized, so it can help align the screw, and then you screw in clockwise. When you screw in, you shouldn't feel any resistance in the screw. If you do, just remove the screw and try again. So now you can install the other one. Okay, so now that you have the prop installed, you want to give it a quick inspection to make sure it's fine. So what you're gonna do, you want to make sure that the screws are flush with the propeller and not sticking out. Also, you want to, by holding your drone nose up, you want to make sure the propeller you replace are free to move. So you just want to wiggle your propeller, make sure everything is moving freely. So that's good. To test your propeller in your wing, what you do with your controller, you're going to do the combination stick command, which means you're going to pull inward and outward your joysticks, and it should start up the motor here. So go. It's working. There's no warning on the controller, so everything seems to be fine. Now let's power it off. There you go. Finally, before you actually go and do some footage, I suggest to bring it outside, do a quick flight test close by. If anything's wrong with your drone, you will find out very, very fast. And so that's it, guys. We've changed the propeller on the drone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any comment, please don't hesitate to ask your questions. And always remember, when you go to fly your drone, do an inspection of your propeller. Make sure there's no scratch, dent, or anything. And never hesitate to change your blade, as it's much cheaper to replace your blade than your drones. And thank you for watching. Have a safe flight.